Hi, my name is David O'Reilly and I'm a Sales Director at FTS, a global provider of billing and policy control solutions for communications and content service providers. Leap Billing is a flexible, convergent charging, billing and customer care solution that realizes substantial reductions in the service provider's total cost of ownership. Its flexibility and ease of use enables the service provider's billing to work at the speed of marketing by offering new marketing plans or services, yet with a rapid time to market. Today we're going to demonstrate a service-level convergence use case using FTS Leap Billing solution. In this scenario, our customer Jane is subscribed to a postpaid voice-over IP service and a prepaid song downloading service. We will also see how partner settlement is done for each song that has been downloaded. We will see a monthly discount calculation based on Jane's usage. Finally, we will demonstrate a loyalty points implementation. Let's see the example. A customer service representative enters the customer care module and views Jane Doe's details. Jane has an internet plan which includes postpaid voice-over IP service, prepaid song download service, and a discount and loyalty points service based on Jane's monthly usage. Now we can see Jane's balances. Jane has a main euro postpaid balance with €0, a loyalty points balance which currently has 0 loyalty points, the prepaid balance which includes €3 to be used for the prepaid song download service, a free song balance which allows Jane to download 10 free songs before she starts paying for them. The monthly duration balance counts the voice over IP seconds used. Jane is now chatting with a friend on Skype and using her voice over IP service, which is a postpaid service. Going back to her balance status, we can see that the postpaid balance was updated with €8.48. Her monthly duration balance shows she used 3,000 seconds, which are 50 minutes. Now we will see what happens when Jane uses a prepaid service. Jane is downloading songs to her laptop. Viewing her balances, we can see that the first 10 songs she downloaded were free of charge and were reduced from the free songs balance. The next 3 songs Jane has downloaded were charged from her prepaid balance. The prepaid balance has a credit limit of €0, meaning Jane cannot download any more songs unless she tops up her balance. Let's see how the partner settlement is done. We will enter the partner management module and view the partner, Sony. Sony's balance has a credit of €4.21. For each song Jane has downloaded, Sony receives 10% of the charge. Jane continues to consume her voice over IP service, and by the end of the month her balance has reached €92.63. We are going to issue an immediate invoice and see how Jane receives a 10% discount on her total invoice since her monthly usage crossed the €80. The invoice also shows that Jane received 10% of her invoice amount as loyalty points, which can be used when purchasing new equipment, for example. The scenario we have just seen can be easily implemented by the service provider's business users, without the need for coding and for the billing vendor's support. FTS Leap Billing enables capturing events in real time and responding to them based on a pre-configured set of business policies or actions. These policies and actions are created using FTS's patent Do tree, a unique graphical user interface decision operations tree for defining business rules. The FTS Do tree enables self-sufficiency, flexibility, simplicity, and a short time to market. Let's see how easily it is done. We will enter the business planning module where all business rules are implemented. We will start by demonstrating the service level convergence implementation, where a single plan called Internet Converged includes both prepaid and postpaid services. The voice over IP is a postpaid service, whereas the song download is a prepaid service. Under the voice over IP service, we can see the business rule defined. For example, when a VoIP call flow is done, the CC VoIP charge event is triggered and activates the VoIP charge business rule. Every business rule is represented by a dedicated Do tree. Before getting into the Do tree's logic, let's view the reference tables. These tables can hold any information and can be managed by the service provider. For example, the A to Z rates table holds the following rating information: For each dialed prefix, the relevant rating values can be set. A connection fee, which is a one-time fee for VoIP session. A disconnect fee. And 3 rates. A rate for peak hours, a rate for off-peak hours, and a third rate used during nighttime. Going back to the do tree. The first leaf is responsible to retrieve the connection fee from the reference table and charge the postpaid balance. The tree is then split according to the time of the usage. For example, if the usage took place during peak hours, the peak rate is retrieved, and the postpaid balance is charged by the number of minutes multiplied by the peak rate. Regardless the period selected, a post node is defined to always calculate the disconnect fee. Let's move to the song download service, which is a prepaid service, and view its do tree. This rule is triggered upon every song that has been downloaded. The simple do tree that we see has only one leaf with the following actions. Set the Sony partner to whom the credit should be applied for each song download. Trigger a business rule to credit the partner. Reduce one song from the free song balance. And only if there is no more free songs left, charge the prepaid balance. Now we will demonstrate the partner settlement. Sony Partner has the Partner Song Service. Here, the do tree credits the balance of the partner with 10% of the original song rate. In our last example, we will demonstrate receiving loyalty points based on the subscriber's usage and also demonstrate a usage-based discount. Both are done through the Invoice Level Perks discount service under the invoicing event. In the top leaf, the loyalty points balance is always updated by 10% of the invoice amount. The do tree is then split according to a condition on the invoice amount. In case the invoiced amount is greater than €80, the postpaid balance will be credited by 10% of the invoice amount. This example demonstrated an implementation of a service level convergence use case using FTS Leap Billing. The FTS do tree technology empowers the service provider to configure, operate and control his business environment with minimal dependency on his billing vendor, resulting in a greater flexibility, greater independence, and thereby reducing its overall total cost of ownership, or TCO. FTS's Leap Billing flexibility and ease of use enables the service provider's billing to become a business enabler for offering new marketing plans or services, yet with a rapid time to market and an enhanced customer experience. Thank you.